Yes, Samsung has announced their first 8K UST projector. It's out now. It's actually very good, and it can project images up to 150 inches. They previously have their premium 4K, which they've been selling for a while now. It's a bit expensive, but this 8K model is going to be a successor to this. It's gonna be very good. Now, up until now, 8K UST projectors have been limited to image sizes of 120 inches, and while 120 inches is very big, when you compare it to existing 8K TVs, this is pretty much a step up. This is a step up, and it's going to be better. It's coming with support for variable refresh rate 120 hertz. Then you will have Dolby Vision, but it's not confirmed if it will have Dolby Atmos capable sound system. I suspect if you're going to buy a projector, you might as well get yourself a sound system, something capable of reproducing Dolby Atmos experience for you. That's just the reality of what the way to set up a cinema is. So the company says that the Premier 8K will offer all the same Tizen OS features as their flagship TVs that they've already announced. It's going to have your gaming hub, it will have your ad store, it will have health monitor, and many more. Now, given that this isn't the first ever Samsung UST projector, so you will expect that there will be an improvement with this. The first Premier projector, the 4K model, could only do 120 inches at the best. I know they state that it can still go up to 130 inches, but it's just around that 120 inches that the original 4K was able to do. But this Premier 8K is impressive. It does 150 inches, which I think a lot of people will be very fine with. You have every other thing that you would need on the projector. The fact that it even can support HDR 10 plus, like a Dolby Vision format, would be quite good overall. So look, more details, especially like seeing what it's able to do in terms of major lowdown and specs, will still show itself, because this some product that they're still showing off at the CES event. They've not really made public like the price tag and every other thing that you would want to expect with this projector. It's only time that will tell whether it will be a huge success in terms of the way people maybe get it, and pricing will be very key. Pricing will be very key at the end of the day, because a lot of people would look at if it's something that they are willing to spend the money on to buy. CES has been really good this year, because it seems like Samsung has been very much on fire. They've been very consistent. They've been releasing a lot of products that this particular CES, they are just consistent, and I'm enjoying the fact that they released a lot of home products for entertainment. That's just the thing that I'm quite happy to see, honestly, if I'm being real right now, because many other companies haven't really put out anything meaningful what checking out. So let's see what this product will bring in general, like pricing and everything. I'll keep my eyes out for that. Subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.